Hi guys, this is Tashi Pastry Empire. Thank you so much for stopping by in my channel today. So today we are going to be discussing 10 basic tools that you must have as a beginner if you are looking up to starting your own baking business or you want to go into baking and you don't know how to go about it. So this video I'll be showing you 10 basic tools that you need is compulsory as a baker in no particular order. The number one tool you need is your measuring cup. Yes, measuring cup is very important. That is what you use to measure for accuracy. It is very important and it's not even expensive. I think it's about 1,000 naira, and it comes with measuring spoons too. Now measuring spoon too is also very good because of the teaspoon that is there. In the house we don't have that particular teaspoon, so it's better to get that measuring spoon for accuracy. 4 are your baking pans. Yes, baking pans. What can you bake without baking pans? If you don't have money to go for sets, which I advise, although set is better because it's cheaper. If you don't have money to go for sets, you can buy them in tools. You can buy size 6, size 7, size 8. It's very important. 6, 7, 8 inches round baking pan is what you need as a beginner. And then the next one is your whisk, your hand whisk. Yes, hand whisk you use to whisk egg, you used to combine dry ingredients together. It is very important you get your hand whisk when starting a baking course or whenever you want to bake. So hand whisk is part of those tools that is needed as a beginner. Another very important tool you need as a beginner is your sieve. Sieve is very important. You cannot do without it because every dry ingredient you are using to bake, you are supposed to sieve it. You are sieving to make the texture lighter, to remove every form of lumps, to remove ants, to remove any form of dirt or insect, any particles that doesn't belong there. So sieve is a must-have for all bakers, or if you are looking into starting a baking career. Digital scale is another very important tool you need. Now there are two types of digital scale. You can go for the expensive one or you go for the plastic one that is less than $2 or less than 3,000 naira. That digital scale help you get accuracy. Working with baking tools, you don't just have to measure without getting accuracy. So digital scale will help you get your accuracy, and the good news is you can go for the expensive one or you go for the lesser one. Now another tool we need again is your piping bag. Yes, your piping bag is very important. Piping bag, use it to pipe your buttercream, pipe your whipped cream, or use it for your cake filling, your parfait. You need a piping bag for that, and also you need nozzles, different types of nozzles. The thing is, you can start with 1 or 2. You don't have to buy plenty nozzles. You can start with 3, 2 different types of nozzles, and then as you grow you get more of it. Now another tool that is very important that you need is a palette knife. Now you use your palette knife to smoothen your buttercream, you use your palette knife to wicks, to turn, to do a lot of things. Palette knife is very important. Also you need a spatula, silicone spatula. I cannot emphasize the function of this silicone spatula in baking. You need that silicone spatula to use to turn, to mix, to pack out all your batter from your bowl. Finally, if you don't have oven, you need a very big pot and a table gas that you can be using to bake pending on when you get oven. Thank you guys so much for staying with me to the end. If you find this video useful, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when I post subsequent video. And if there's anything you want me to talk about in the baking business, you can drop it in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.